How to make quick, easy and tasty Sheer Khurma in 15 minutes. Sheer Khurma is a classic Mughlai dessert made with milk, dates, nuts, vermicelli and ghee. It is a Persian term, where Sheer means milk and Khurma means dates. The ingredients for Sheer Khurma are 2 liters of milk, 250 grams vermicelli, 150 grams desi ghee, 500 milliliters condensed milk, 50 grams chopped pista, 50 grams chopped badam, 50 grams chopped cashews, 10 grams watermelon seeds, 10 grams muskmelon seeds, 20 chopped dry dates, and 5 grams cardamom powder. Take a pot and boil the water so that it releases any previously cooked stain or smell. Drain the water and rinse it with cold water. Boil 2 liters of milk in a pot. And once it boils, lower the heat. While the milk boils, boil badam and cashew in hot water to soften them. Peel off the skin of badam and chop cashew, badam, pista and dry dates into small pieces. Add 50 grams of pure desi ghee to another pan and roast the chopped pista, chopped badam, chopped cashews, watermelon seeds, muskmelon seeds, and chopped dry dates until they turn golden brown. Transfer the roasted nuts to a clean bowl. Transfer the roasted nuts to a separate plate. Add 100 grams of pure desi ghee to the pan and roast the vermicelli until it turns golden brown. Add cardamom powder to the boiled milk and stir it well. Add 500 milliliters of condensed milk and stir well. Add roasted nuts to the milk and stir well. Add roasted vermicelli to the mixture and stir well and simmer until the vermicelli is soft and cooked. This took about 10 minutes for me to stir on medium flame. Keep stirring for every 1 minute to avoid the milk from burning. Once the dish is cooked, take it out from the stove and keep it to cool under fan so that the boiled mixture doesn't overcook the dish. Else it will become thick and soggy. The delicious Sheer Khurma is ready to be served. Please do try at home and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.